Hello.
Good morning, Ethan.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I'm Jim. Yeah. So you guys have been dealing with this for a while now?
We moved in 2021, and from the get-go, you know, we could hear some noises and things.
There was a stench that came out early this morning right over here.
So this is
In this area?
That's unusual.
Yeah, it's always this wall that there's like scratching, squeaking, and...
What's behind this wall?
We have traps in the basement and traps in the attic. So you tell them that?
Yeah, we have some traps.
And where did you catch the most rats, if any?
There were a bunch caught in the basement before they got all the holes sealed up. We haven't seen any there in a while.
Can you lead me to the basement, please?
We put some traps here, which rodent control put those in. We haven't had a rat down here
In a while?
in a while, yeah.
Okay.
Probably maybe a year and a half or so.
Okay.
So one of the things that's been happening is when we hear the noise, is either scratching or squealing.
Okay.
There's like a really foul odor that comes out.
Okay.
Something isn't right.
So here's that wall. And this is where they're hearing the scratching. All right, I'm going underneath the crawl space. And we're gonna look and see what's below this wall here. It's gonna be a long crawl and a tight crawl, I believe. But we gotta do it, we gotta figure it out.
Leave no stone unturned.
The guy's also gonna be running a smoke test while I'm under there. All right, we've gotta do some inspection here underneath this crawl space. Quite a bit of debris. So what I'm trying to find is clues, burrows. Guys are running the smoke. We're seeing if there's any smoke coming out while I'm under here, but we got to do a very comprehensive investigation. Let's get on the other side and insert a camera inside the, there's a little hole I think I found. Let's head over there now. All right, so I have a camera. I'm going to insert it inside that hole right there. There is quite a bit of debris in there, guys. Can you guys go in that bedroom and see if you can hear my camera in the wall? You hear it? You guys getting smoke?
Yeah, we are.
Looks like the guys are getting smoke. Yeah, that basement looks a little hazy. I don't know if you could see it on camera, but it definitely is filling up with smoke. Let's head that direction and see if we can find anything, because they said it's on that side of the house. Dave says he sees a bunch of smoke coming out of a wall. Let's head that direction. What's going on, Dave? I can't get between this wall chase here. There's a big void. So I'm clearing out the smoke with this big blower.
Well, that's one way to do it.
Anthony!
Yeah.
Tell him to kick the smoke machine on. There's a lot of activity here. Is there, Jim? Okay, here comes the smoke. Gotta see where it's coming from here. Anthony said he saw smoke. Oh, wait. Oh, there it is. It's coming out of this wall here, Jim. Bad. Like, yeah, it's sort of by that tub area, but it's coming out. Oh, definitely a breach, Jim. Yeah. And also, there's signs of a lot of activity here as well.
Yep.
We got to go outside because there's a lot of infrastructure, gas, water pipes coming through here. So let's go on that side of the house. Oh, is that the exterior house? I don't know if this, yeah, this has got to be the exterior. So let me go outside real quick. All right, quick question, Anthony.
What's up?
Is that too much bait or is that perfect baiting?
It's way too much.
Way too much, right?
Way too much.
Way too much.
I'm just gonna feed the rats instead of catch them.
Yeah.
That's not what we want.
As far as I'm concerned, these plastic traps, look at this. Big rat comes in, not strong enough. Dave's tapping on the pipe, Enrique's on the outside. We're gonna locate that to the outside and go from there.
You're very talented.
All right, we're heading to the outside. Let's go look at that and explore that. There's a space right here. Yeah. But he wasn't getting any. You sure you looked in here when we were smoking?
I looked over here, all right here.
Okay. Let's pull this off. Pull this off. David, open that barbecue up and see if that's open. These typically just go to an area drain though. Look at that flashlight, guys. Ooh, they're chewing. Very active over there. Look at this thing.
Sounds appetizing.
Now, where's that tub, Anthony? Tub's right here, Dave. Tub's right here.
Perfect.
Okay. We're gonna have to remove that and investigate. Something is going on right here. We're getting smoke somewhere. Oh, that's wire messed off though. Shoot.
Seems like a false alarm here.
Bet you we were getting smoke right there. And it's already messed up. All right, there's a lot of bolts. It's all concreted in, so we're gonna take and just make an incision in the existing wire mesh. Okay. Now we're gonna tape this off and redo the smoke. Yeah, see the chew mark right here? And it smells like rat for sure. And you can see the sebum there. All right, go in the basement, Neil, with the flashlight. Where's that going?
Time to smoke some fools.
It looks like they tried to put it laminate.
Oh, yeah, that's just coming out of the vent.
Oh boy, looks like you got another one.
All right, let's head over back underneath the crawl space basement area and see if we're getting any smoke. How are we looking? So far, so good.
Just the light there.
All right, let's head back over to the area that we were getting smoke. Nothing. When did they cover that pipe in the back by the barbecue last?
Well, they came and looked around in December, but they didn't cover anything
They
new.
didn't do anything. And when was the last time you heard noise?
I mean, I for sure heard something on Friday,
Okay,
but Nathan thought he heard something last night, maybe.
got it. Okay, interesting.
Something just isn't adding up.
All right, so we've got Anthony underneath this roof here. He inspected, and it sounds like we look like we. Let me see your light, Anthony. Open pipe here, so the pest controller. Yeah, but see, that's just a bee vent, though, Jim.
I'm sorry, David, it's another dead end.
So that 2-inch line somewhere here, that's where Anthony is. And he's saying that there's quite a bit of droppings in this area, so this could be suspect. David's heading into the attic now, and I'm gonna run smoke up above and see if they get any smoke.
Meanwhile.
Okay, let's dive deep in this attic here. There's not a lot of room. We have to get back way over here where the plumbing is. You can see not a lot of room. Good thing is not a lot of insulation in here. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Jimmy's on the outside. I found an opening. He wants me to crawl a little bit deeper in this tight area. But as you can see, I can barely make it. Okay. Tyvek suits, they get stuck.
He said never mind.
Oh, never mind.
It's not a gap.
Ah.
You gotta be kidding me.
I feel like I just lost about 10 pounds.
Day 2.
All right, we are back. We have been monitoring in the crawl space for the last 3 to 4 days. We've been getting no activity in the crawl space. However, they're still hearing a lot of squeaking and noise inside that wall. So we're about to open that up and see how they're getting in, what type of animal it is. It's gonna be super interesting. So this is where they're hearing the noises. Something is going on inside this wall. All right, so the crew is building a critical barrier, preparation for the wall opening.
Gentlemen, let's get down to business.
All right, here we go. Oh, it smells like a what, Enrique?
Like a skunk.
A skunk, yes.
What's a skunk, honey? I got the birds and skunks are us.
Not seeing any droppings of any kind of any animal, but I could definitely smell a skunk. So here's the audio text message that I got from Joy. Hold on. All right, I'm gonna put my camera inside the wall, but I'm gonna shut the light off because I think we see daylight.
I think we found it.
So guys, where we opened up is right here. So this column is hollow. He's right here. So right here is all hollow. Look at that. Now check this out. This is where their bed is. That's where we opened up. And again, this is hollow. So it's definitely skunk. You can see their hair, but there's a big hole right up in here, you guys. I'm gonna put my camera in there, okay? Here we go.
I was not expecting that.
All right, we're gonna set up our monitoring cameras from the crawl space. We're gonna relocate them inside this wall cavity and above here so we can verify and confirm that that's the case. I think you're right, skunks.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh no.
We're seeing white hairs. We're not seeing any rat droppings at all.
So can you deal with that?
Oh yeah, we'll figure it out. If they're alive inside the wall, I don't deal with that, but I can bring an animal guy that can, they have certain traps for skunks.
Uh-huh.
You don't have a rodent issue, a rat issue, you have a skunk issue. So we're gonna figure out how they're getting into that wall cavity, and then we're gonna relocate the cameras from the crawl space outside and then inside the wall so we can monitor that. But
okay.
We're getting close.
You can see right here, look.
Yeah.
These big boys.
Yeah.
Like, see them?
Yeah.
That's not rats, bro.
Oh, it smells like skunk, guys. Yes. Let's see if we can get a flashlight and give you guys a little bit better perspective here. But that hole I can see is about a 12-inch by 9-inch gap. Perfect for an animal. Massive runway all the way around the porch. It wraps around just like that. And that's what they've been hearing. So we're gonna get all this cleaned up as much as possible. We're gonna do electrostatic fogging with the Twinzyme and get some of this odor out of here.
So what are you guys gonna do then?
So we're gonna screen this off.
Okay.
We're also gonna screen the end of the hallway here. We're gonna try to mesh this off right here, but that's the main entry point right there. We also have to inspect, you guys, that one.
Oh, that one.
I'm gonna put my camera in there. If there's live skunks, then we're gonna have to call an animal trapper to come out and deal with that.
Yeah.
We don't deal with trapping skunks.
But hopefully they're not there right
Hopefully
now.
they're out. Hopefully,
Yeah.
you never know, when we start making an incision, the animals will run out, but the
Yeah.
animal could also be inside this column as well. Because all of this here wraps around. It's all one area.
Yeah, there's another. Is there
Yeah,
another
we're gonna have to
one?
check all of them. We're definitely gonna have to check all of them.
I'm simply trying to be thorough.
All right, guys, if you have skunks, if you have rats, if you have animal urine you want to decontaminate, the Twinzyme is the ultimate. All you got to do is apply it just like this. Feels better already.
I was waiting for this.
No more skunky funky. Okay, we're gonna let that neutralize, and then we're gonna get an electrostatic fogger, and we're gonna put enzyme, and we're gonna inject all the way down that porch column. How we doing, Enrique?
Getting there, Jim.
We'll just cut the excess.
Yeah, with the grinder. Look, put your hand in there. Make sure you don't cut yourself.
Oh yeah.
Sounds mother.
Yeah.
Later.
Oh my gosh, the skunks are still in the wall. There's the animal trapper. He's there investigating. I think he's gonna reopen everything so he can trap the skunks. Yep, I was right. So he removed the exclusion work that we did, and there's the skunk popping out. You can see the skunk is super reluctant to get out of that wall. Yes! This is why I love cameras. The skunks finally made their way out and right into the traps. Hey Dave, this doesn't deserve the rat dance, but it certainly deserves the skunk dance.
The twins do it again. Another successful rat extermination. Job solved. We will see you on the next one.